Ngidai ban Ïatreilang Haka Imlang ka Sahlang ban Pynduh Jait ya udrok ya kita gikintin laong do ba Mayralborn Syiem MLA ka nongpo habakren kumukongsan haka program rakhi ka International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking kabala long menta kasngi ka apun rew tarik ujeliu ha District Library Hall nongpo ban yalak persya ya udrok syagi kon samla ya kabala pelong da katanat District Social Welfare nongpo bat katanat jongka Civil Defence bat Home Guard. Haka ni ka program la yo ruban sami ki khusnam shaki nongjab ki belai shiminta haka jinga kop tho essay ka jinga kop tho slogan bat haka jinga kop mare ka basan kilometer bat ki nongjab haka jing mare. Haka ni ka program na lor uba Mayralborn Syiem MLA ka nongpo kumukongsan la donlang ban Sakhilang do Abhishek Saini Assistant Commissioner ka Ribhoy District ba S Paslen DSP Ribhoy Kong E Kharshanti DSWO Ribhoy District PH Shillong Divisional Commandant Home Guard ki khana school ki nongtrei katanat Civil Defence Home Guard bat kiwe
Jadi pun kalau berkongsan itu kata, bat dari segi bagi Ïatreilang ini, nadu ki nongtre jongka soka department ke, kumjur kena school ini nongkai di volunteers ki belayan lah. Bani itu nagam tak kenal bani pun, ya kena Syiem oke Imlang ka Sahlang kajungi, kabaladon. Kabalarung ay kilong yin kilong sem Shillong how. It is a time that we have to work together. It is a time that we have to put our heads together. The law enforcing agency like the police, I would like to place on record my sincere thanks for the dedication to be very prompt in taking action against the drug supplier, the drug peddler. And we have heard from the DSP that even yesterday also, they have nabbed the culprit. And in the past also we have seen that police in Ribhoy district, police in East Jait district, police in East Syiem district and other district of the state. They have tried their level best. But it won't end up only there. Kamput terhentak. Ban Pynduh yung drugs, ban kem biginong di drugs, ban kem biginong di drugs. Kamput tang bagi polis sosial there. Kabukongsan ke dia jadi Ïatreilang jong kinong Shillong di Pakistan. Di Dorbar Shillong, di Sahlang kami, di Sahlang. The VDP, but with NGO, with civil society, bangin dan kadang-kadang Ïatreilang. The police don't come when you lead the information. Don't come when you're. Hadi Shillong get how much ani, come down di Shillong get how ko, surah pa ani. Kibun, ki kunsamla, Shinrang, kumju kikirhe lada. Ilong yin. Jadi sebut ilong yin ilong ser di kopai di kopai. Kamlong dapat kemai. Sabun ki kimi kipa di bawah sangar. Kiwan jong yin le kumno ya ki kun ki jungi.